Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a nice easy way to fix the problem where you're having difficulty putting in and also taking out these sections here. So every time we press the button it should pull in and out nicely, but this one here was really playing up, and you can see how easy it works now. In fact, my wife couldn't do it at all, and I used to have to keep on forcing it in and then using this and really struggling to pull it out. So this one is the easiest. These two have never been done, and you can see that they are harder, but this one was really hard. All you need is a tiny little bit of silicone grease on that O-ring there. If you were to replace the O-ring, it would also fix it, but a little bit of grease will just lubricate it to make it easy to slide on and off, and it's still gonna do its seal. So if you get yourself some silicone grease, and we're just going to be putting a tiny little bit just around the O-ring, like so, and then you'll find that it will slide in so much easier. Look at that. So it isn't that it's gunked up around here, here or here, it's the O-ring causing all the problem. And I'm just going to do the one up here as well. There we go. So you can see how easy that works now. So now if you were having problems with your KARCHER SC3, hopefully you won't be anymore. Thanks for watching.